This is ArtCenter. You probably already know about its reputation for creating world-class car designers. You've probably also heard that it's really difficult to get into the car design program. Its reputation is well earned. I remember pulling many all-nighters in these very classrooms. And this cafeteria always buzzed with life, students sketching away or sharing a meal. So just how difficult is it to get into ArtCenter? Well, let me share with you the portfolio that I submitted to get my acceptance letter. But first, a little disclaimer. This is not something that I'm super proud of. It did get me into ArtCenter, but looking back at these sketches nowadays, it's not pretty. Really, the point of this video is to demystify just how good your portfolio needs to be in order to start applying to ArtCenter. Now, keep in mind, this is what got me into ArtCenter. Times have changed a little bit, so maybe the bar is higher or lower. I don't know. That's for you to find out. So regardless, let's take a look. So here it is, the portfolio. I did 5 projects within this portfolio. The first one was for the United States Postal Service, and then I did one for just a golf project that was unbranded, and then an Acura, a Subaru, an Infiniti, and then I also included a sketchbook section because the admissions office or the department also, they like to see that you're always sketching and you're always thinking of new ideas. You'll see that these projects, they're not just a series of sketches that are kind of put together randomly. They always follow a particular flow. You have to have the project brief, a couple pages of brand studies and inspiration images, your ideation sketches, and then your final rendering. That concludes the project. Looking at these sketches, it's not hard to tell that they're far from being perfect. The point I'm trying to get across is to not let time and opportunity pass you by. Listen to what Kobe Bryant has to say.
Never.
No, well, no. Why? Right? Because, you know, as time goes on, I'm sitting there 70, 80 years old, and I'm going to be wondering if I could have come back from this injury. Mm-hmm. I don't want to wonder. I want to find out.
We got to get to that 60-point game.
I want to see, man.
We got to get to that game.
Yeah, if the critics are out there saying he's done, he'll never come back, well, maybe you're right. Maybe you're not. But let's find out.
This is ArtCenter today. About a year ago, they built a brand new transportation design department within a vacant space. It's absolutely beautiful, and the facilities are top-notch. Also, I had a chance to visit the grad show that was going on that same weekend. If this doesn't inspire you, I don't know what will. Congrats to all you graduates. The break is well deserved. To the rest of you, keep sketching. See you guys next time.